Let's take a look at organizational analysis, part of the needs assessment process. Organizational analysis involves identifying whether training supports the strategic direction, employees support training, and what training resources are available. The following provides questions that trainers should address in organizational analysis. Some combination of documentation, interviews, focus groups, or surveys of managers, individuals in the training function, and employees should be used to answer these questions. Questions to ask in organizational analysis. How might the training content affect our employees' relationship with customers? How does this program align with the strategic needs of the business? Should the organizational resources be devoted to this program? What do we need from managers and peers for this training to succeed? Whose support do we need? The strategic role of training influences the frequency and type of training and how the training function is organized in the organization. In companies in which training is expected to contribute to the achievement of business strategies and goals, the amount of money allocated to training and the frequency of training will likely be higher than in companies in which training is done haphazardly or with no strategic intent. A number of studies have found that peer and manager support for training is critical, along with employee enthusiasm and motivation to attend training. The key factors for success are a positive attitude among peers, managers, and employees about participation in training activities, managers' and peers' willingness to provide information to trainees about how they can use knowledge, skills, abilities, or behaviors learned in training programs to perform their jobs more effectively, and opportunities to use training content on the job. If peers and managers' attitudes and behaviors are not supportive, employees are not likely to apply training content on the job. It is necessary to identify whether the company has the budget, time, and expertise for training. One of the questions that the company must answer is whether it has the resources, like time, money, and expertise, to build or develop training programs itself, or whether it should try to buy them from a vendor or consulting firm. This is known as the buy versus build decision. One way is to identify training resources for companies that have similar operations or departments located across the country or the world to share ideas and practices.